Okay, this is Ahs Paper 1 2010 Prelim Paper Question 14. The scale drawing in the answer space shows a circle with diameter AB. Q is a point on the circumference of the circle. Construct the bisector of angle QAB. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the line QB. Part C. State the significance of the intersection point of AB and the perpendicular bisector of QB. Part D. The angle bisector and the perpendicular bisector meet at C. Measure and write down the size of ACB. First, let's do part A. Okay, part A says construct the bisector of angle QAB. Okay, the QA is not joined up for you, so you need to join up QA. So let's join up QA. To construct the angle bisector of QAB, first you need a compass. Put the sharp end of the compass at the angle you want to bisect, which is angle A. Okay. Keeping the radius constant, draw an arc on each side of the line. After that, widen the radius slightly. Pull it at this point. Do a cross. Without changing the radius, put it at the other arc and draw a cross. Join from point A to this intersection point. With this, you will get the angle bisector. This will be the angle bisector of angle QAB. Next, construct the perpendicular bisector of QB. Okay, once again, okay, the line QB is not drawn for you, so join up. Okay. So QB, to draw the perpendicular bisector, let's start from point Q. Open your compass to slightly greater than half of the length of QB, so around 2/3 the length of QB. Without changing the radius, draw an arc on top and draw an arc below the line QB. So on each side of the line QB, draw an arc. Then put the sharp point to point B and draw an arc such that it intersects the first arc, and draw the other arc on the other side such that it intersects the first arc too. Okay, you have 2 points. Join up the 2 points, and this line that you just drawn is the perpendicular bisector of line QB. Okay, with that we complete part A and part B. Okay, let's look at part C. Part C asks you to state the significance of the intersection point of AB and the perpendicular bisector of QB. Okay, let's recall our circle property. QB is a chord on the circle. Okay, in circle property, you know that the perpendicular bisector of a chord in a circle will pass through the center of the circle. Since AB is the diameter, so the chord of the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB will pass through the center, and AB is the diameter which will pass through the center also. Therefore, the intersection of these two lines will be the center of the circle. Part D. The angle bisector and the perpendicular bisector meet at C. Measure and write down the size of angle ACB. So let's look at the angle bisector. This is the angle bisector. This is a perpendicular bisector. They meet at point C. So let's measure the angle ACB using a protractor. You realize that the angle is 90 degrees. Let's recall circle properties. AB is the diameter of the circle. So ACB will be angle in a semicircle. So this, without even measuring, you should know that it is 90 degrees.